This is the naked gun popcorn bucket. It's a Beaver. And I think this one's the Beaver is $34.99. The Fantastic Four combo with that one, the bottom with the couple one is $39, but we have a discount because we have a membership. And there's $59, but it's only one. Oh, two. There's this Jurassic World. I like this wall from Snake. Bad guys. I don't want that cup there. I'll try to see if I can buy it tomorrow. Because I want it. If I have extra cash, because I've been saving for a costume. Don't forget to like and subscribe.